Hello viewers, welcome to Mango Desk. Snacks and starters are an integral part of any cuisine. Rather than settling for store-bought snacks, we are going to prepare our own munchies from scratch. So today's recipe is about two different snacks that can be prepared easily with the ingredients found in your kitchen cabinet. So our first recipe is diamond biscuits. It is an easy to make snack recipe that you can even store for days. To prepare this delicious snack recipe, take a large bowl, add 1 cup of maida and a pinch of salt. Then add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Don't add too much ghee. The biscuits will become too soft and soggy. Combine well with your fingers to make sure the ghee is evenly mixed. You can also add a pinch of baking soda if needed. Take 1/3 to half a cup of sugar and mix it with water until the sugar dissolves completely. Start adding the sugar water to this maida mixture little at a time. Sugar is hygroscopic, so a little water will go a long way. Make a very stiff dough and make small balls out of the dough. Now dust this dough ball in maida generously and roll each dough into a flat circle. Don't roll it too thin, roll it a little thicker than chapati. Cut the circle into little diamonds and with the help of a knife. Now transfer the cut diamonds to a plate. Heat oil in a pan in medium flame. Gently add in the diamond cuts to the oil. Fry on medium flame until golden color. When it is cooked, the bubbling noise or bubbles stop and the biscuits will come to the surface. Once cooked, remove from oil with a slotted ladle and drain the biscuits on paper towels. Store in an airtight container for up to 4 days. Our delicious diamond biscuits are ready. Just listen to how crispy these diamond biscuits sound. It just sounds too good. Let's go to the next recipe. The next recipe in our list is butter murukku. This butter murukku is a lighter version of the traditional murukku. It is a crunchy and have a nice flavor of butter. Let's check out the recipe now. Take a large bowl. Add 2 cups of rice flour. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of fried gram in a mixed jar and powder them. Now sieve the powdered fried gram and mix together with the rice flour. Add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure the butter incorporates well and evenly set with the flour. Add required salt. Add 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds and a pinch of cumin seeds. Pour water little by little as needed and mix together to form a smooth and crack-free dough. Now grease the idiyappam maker with oil and put on the star plate. Divide the dough into 3 or 4 parts. Fill the mold with one of the part. Take any ladles of this kind and press this idiyappam maker over this ladle gently to release the dough. Heat oil on a medium flame for deep frying. Gently lift them and drop in the hot oil. Do not overcrowd the pan as the murukku needs enough space to fry crispy. Also do not disturb them for a minute, otherwise they will break. After a minute, stir them often to fry evenly. When they turn light golden, drain them on a kitchen tissue. Repeat to make more until the entire dough finishes. Cool this butter murukku and store in an airtight jar. And there are 2 tips to know if your murukku is cooked properly. This dish is perfect when there are nice pointed marks on it and a clear hole at the center when you break them. No matter how many times you break this further, you should be seeing a clear hole at the center. Just look at this. A perfect butter murukku is ready. So if your friends are planning to knock down your dough, try out these super recipes today and impress everyone with your skills. Do subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. Thank you for watching.